Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TensorFlow on SageMaker for production training, full guide step by step clearly. To activate TensorFlow on SageMaker for production training, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker service from the console homepage. In the SageMaker dashboard, click on Notebook Instances. Select or create a new notebook instance. Ensure that the instance type meets the requirements for TensorFlow. Once the instance is running, click on Open Jupyter. In Jupyter, create a new Python notebook. Begin by installing TensorFlow if it is not already installed. Use the command pip install TensorFlow in a notebook cell. Once the installation is complete, you need to import TensorFlow. Enter import TensorFlow as TF in the next cell and run it. Next, prepare your data for training. Upload your dataset to an S3 bucket. Use the SageMaker SDK to access this bucket from your notebook. Load your data into a data frame using pandas. Pre-process the data as necessary for your specific model. Define your TensorFlow model architecture in the notebook. Compile the model by specifying the optimizer, loss function, and metrics. Set up the training job configuration with SageMaker. Create a TensorFlow estimator and specify the necessary parameters. Point the estimator to your training script and the S3 location of your data. Run the training job by calling the fit method on the estimator. Monitor the training process through the SageMaker console. Once training is complete, evaluate your model performance. After evaluation, you can deploy your model to a SageMaker endpoint. Use the estimator's deploy method to set up the endpoint for inference. Verify that your model is serving predictions correctly by performing test inferences. Now your TensorFlow model is active on SageMaker for production training. Document the process and settings for future reference. Consider setting up automated scripts for retraining as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.